I didn't take the Baddie from you because you didn't know the Baddie, what it means. Because I know the Baddie, how...
So if like I'm wearing silver earrings, like I know with like it will match with my silver, So it didn't like it looked like a rainbow or something.
Baddie, and she's black.
No, and I'm Bob,
Okay.
Yes. You have to express yourself. But
Yeah, like a bit
but it's
like
fine,
okay.
it's fine. You can hold it, bitch. Okay.
For me, Baddie is a persona, Baddie is a personality. Baddie is something that you represent yourself to. If Baddie knows she's a 10, she's always going to be a 10. I said that.
You know what is an ex? An ex is someone you sleep with. So why don't you say your past, your status view?
and like you.
Like, I'ma show you how to pimp a nigga. Like those things, man, they give like you pierce them. They know
Makati. It was Makati. How?
No.
Before we get into today's video, guys, t-shirts are still available, 200 each for the channel, 350 for 2. Get yours today. Thank you. Enjoy today's video.
Hey guys, it's popping Ey'tabene.
Yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Baddie. Baddie. Shop on all social media platforms.
Okay, hey guys, this is your girl Black Baddie.
Hey guys, it's your girl Swish Mamizi. Ipodlela kula extra place ngimnandi njengayo. Your one and only Baddie. Yes, Mzansi Vele. Bitch, you got a dope bra.
Hey guys, it's the one and only the girl Masiliva. Get busy line. Shop.
Okay.
So guys, the rules of the podcast today, we're going to be speaking English.
Okay.
Thank you.
So today, guys, we're gonna go to everything we're going to explain or talk about is in English because y'all have to hear English. How we speak, how we slads, how everything.
Yeah, go. Yeah, great.
Go. Yeah. So today we have our new guest. What's the name, Gonje? Masiliva. Means okay, you had guys. You had that. So
just speak. I go.
Just speak. Today English. So yeah. So our new girls today, I just wanted to ask why the name?
Why the name?
Yeah.
Okay, the name is like young Bonamas.
I bother you, but I don't bother you as it
like it.
Guys, like as you can see, massive variant. So like as you can see, guys,
you can feel my bone.
Yeah. So like obviously like massive name. So as English, you guys,
okay,
like it's Masilva, the one and only in Freedom Park,
okay.
So nippy is that. Oh my gosh.
I'm busy. Yeah.
So like I'm busy here with Ey'tabene,
We
so
study English.
stay tuned.
So yeah, guys, why am I asking? Because we have Usisma Kolide. Young Taz and Nabo myself I shooting in his name and appearance way.
So like it's a must to go sing my silver name.
Okay.
As you can see, like Nama silver, not like silver, ama silver. So like stay tuned, guys. Like really podcast, like.
So yeah, guys, you see, guys, you should have something in you that represents you.
Just like me.
So yes, today we're speaking to the Baddie. What's a Baddie and Gwanjam?
Zanzi.
From Zanzi.
Yeah.
It's really out to check.
So they put it out to check, and it's with that we want like an inspiration and us
Yes.
Could make an outfit, yeah.
So I feel like I know
where is it coming from?
Yes.
my outfit.
Yes.
From Thailand.
Like you're looking hot.
Thank you. It's just in like it's self-made.
It's a pleasure, darling.
It's a pleasure.
You know?
Jabba. Why are you laughing?
Oh, Toby, you're not laughing.
I'm not laughing.
I get your question.
I'm not
Yeah.
laughing. But you guys laughing.
No,
Okay, sharp. By myself, why are you laughing?
Toby, like,
I'm more.
And they are busy laughing. Like,
okay, Toby, it's just okay,
I get your
guys.
point.
So, guys, we say we're going to speak about the Baddie.
Yes.
The Baddie, you know, because I'm the baddest of them all, but she's the Baddie. Yeah. So,
Not that bad. I'm like. You. Shut up.
stop. Okay, let's leave that. But please,
Not
okay.
the bad. Of them all, baddest. It's usually.
Yo,
I get you.
I'm the baddest of them all.
You know it.
Why?
And she's the best.
Because like I started it, like I was the one who because
Okay.
they made me laugh also.
Yeah.
Like I want to be serious because I'm
Let's be serious. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Okay, guys, you're born again. I'll mix like a god.
English, but I'm mixer. Yo,
Like Mina.
Okay.
Bitch, you gotta drop. Okay. Why I'm saying I'm a Baddie? It's because like my officiality, my expression, yeah, and you're not the only Baddie that you're talking about. Because I was the first one becoming a Baddie before you became a Baddie. You get my point? Thank you, bitch.
okay,
Yeah.
thanks. So, guys,
About the outfits.
about the outfit, let's talk about
I'm
the
inspired.
outfit.
I'm amazed.
Oh, bitch, it's the self-made.
Oh, okay.
Okay. My point. If like you're a Baddie, you need to have your own like
You know.
fashion your own fashion sense. You get my point?
It's like
So-
uniqueness.
Yeah, unique
I like
names.
that one.
I like that one.
You see, even like fluffies from here.
Even the front house.
Like, yeah, like different styles. Like, thank you. Yeah.
You are a baby.
I am a Baddie.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
Official.
The one and only Baddie they know in Zanzibar.
The Astropers why?
The ice
Yeah.
yeah.
Like,
Guys, so today we're going to the ice repairs.
Not in me.
No.
No, like you
Yes,
see coming in the Baddie. So it's in Fianna I'm Astropers. No,
you know,
to me.
Oh, Tommy has questions about the ice repairs.
like, yeah, I want to
Okay,
know, like, why you always mention like Astropers, and you always say like Nani is Astropers. So I need to know with you.
Why?
Yeah, why Astropers? Because not like it tastes nice.
It is nice.
Okay. By my side, Astropers is it's a great alcohol for me because I think I think Astropers for me like I don't have answer
Wait.
but yeah I don't have words. Thank you. But Astropers for me it's like something special because everywhere yeah
It's like
it's expensive,
uniqueness.
so I don't like to drink maybe something. You get my point.
I get you.
So,
I get
yeah.
you.
And then, but today I'm drinking something I'm not used
I
to.
I get you.
Yeah, you get my point.
Yeah.
But today, I'm not used to this, but I'm just drinking it because
But
my
you
money. Like it can.
Overstretched, but like you can continue.
Yeah, so that's why I'm calling myself like. In general, like my friends.
Baby ice repairs.
No, wait. My friends, when I'm saying class of ice droppers, they thinking I'm saying class. No,
Like it
I can't say
isn't
classy.
it?
Like no, I'm just representing an ice trapeze. When I'm saying class, I'm representing everything of an ice trapeze. You get my point? Even inside of it. Yes, that's why I'm engineer. Because really,
How do you know?
how do I know? Like. I have a lot of taste.
Like,
if you're Baddie, you have to trust yourself that you have a lot of taste.
like a self-esteem, you know.
Yeah, it tastes good.
It tastes good. Like, you need to quote that, guys.
Okay, guys.
So, okay, I have a question. So, ever since from Obi O'Brien becoming Obi Baddie, because you heard Sportsman Missy said she wants to be Sports Baddie.
Okay.
But I didn't say, like, okay, yeah, I know Baddies, you can, but okay, Jimmy, how did you feel when you're changing your name, becoming Obi Baddie, not Obi O'Brien?
Okay, to first correct you from what you said before I answer the question. I didn't take the Baddie from you because you didn't know the Baddie, what it means. Because I know the Baddie, how, like, I understand.
You know how you meant by your own words. I know how it means by my own words.
Yes.
We Baddie differently.
Okay, what does Baddie mean?
Okay, what is Baddie for you?
Baddie by myself, it's like something personality.
Okay.
Expression, like be yourself. Yes, a bad bitch. You get my point. Someone who doesn't care what people say about him. She's a Baddie. That's a Baddie by my own side. Thank you.
Okay.
So for me, Baddie is a persona. Baddie is a personality. Baddie is something that you present yourself to. If Baddie knows she a 10, she always gonna be a 10. I said that from the last podcast and I'm still saying it again. So I just noticed good thing. O'Brien, people don't use it. Don't use the O'Brien. Don't use my surname but use my name. So Obi is out there, but I want the Obi to go with personality. Obi is what? A Baddie. So to correct what the sister Baddie said, I'm still the baddest bitch. I'm still the baddest of them all.
You know.
So to correct you, girl.
Shine.
Glitter. Sharp. So yeah, I'm still the baddest of them all. I'm not saying them, but I feel like I'm the baddest of them all. It's not a debate. It's not shooting anybody, but it's just that I'm the baddest of them all. Not by my own. You see, you're getting shots.
No, Jimmy, I'm not getting shots.
Yeah, but like, you see the way. Okay,
Thank you.
It's how I feel.
Yeah, it's how, like,
it's how I feel. You know, good here. I'm the baddest of them all. So that's the thing. So no one should get intimidated. You see,
she's on her lane.
Hey, I'm on my own lane. I'm just focusing on myself. That's why it's a personality. Your name goes with
your own personality.
I'm Black Barbie.
She's Black Barbie.
Why are you calling yourself Black Barbie?
Because I'm a Barbie. And I'm
Black.
Yeah,
so
only that.
Yes.
Okay, I get your point. Yeah.
Okay,
so Mushadu.
No.
Black Barbie.
Black Barbie.
No, Black Barbie.
Black Barbie Mushadu Adrenaline.
Why the Black Barbie?
And why the?
Because I'm a Barb.
She's the Barbie and she's black.
No, and I'm a Barb. You know.
Okay. Okay.
Are you done?
Yes.
Thank you. But like you have to express yourself. But
yeah, like a bit
but it's
like
fine,
okay.
it's fine. You can hold it, bitch. She didn't have answer.
Okay.
So
she did.
You know what I mean? She's a black door. You understand?
Because she thinks like she is the black Barbie.
I am. I don't think I am.
It doesn't think
Okay,
she
you don't
is
think
a black
you
Barbie.
are a black Barbie.
Yeah.
Yes.
She is a black Barbie. We understand. We understood. We get you.
Like we understand.
We under everything.
Like you know.
So guys, back to another topic. We're going to speak about is nothing. I don't know what are we going to talk about, but I just wanted to talk about jewelries. Like, do you know what the jewelries?
Obvious.
Jewelries.
Obvious.
Sharp.
Oh, I didn't.
Like how important
But it's
they are to ladies. Why did you put them today? Why is it important for you to have your earrings on? So let's start by you.
Okay. It like I feel like more beautiful when I'm wearing my earrings. You know, not like I'm ugly or something. I like earrings. You know, more especially for my, you know, like,
Silver.
yeah, my silver. Yeah.
So you like silver, not gold?
Yeah, I like silver mostly. You know, so like that's why I always wear my earrings most of the times.
So yeah, I have a question there. You like silver, eh?
Yes, a lot.
A lot. You don't like gold?
Nah, I don't have anything that like.
Gold.
I don't.
Like, so you wouldn't wear earrings that are gold?
Nah, I won't.
But gold represents money.
I
Even
know,
silver.
I know,
no,
but
silver
I like
is number
wearing
last.
silver,
Yeah.
like because
Silver
like
sparkles.
I can't like wear gold earrings, then I'm putting silver, you know, it
Like,
won't match, you know. So I like if I'm,
And then it gold, it can make up.
you know. So if like I'm wearing silver earrings, like I know with like it will match with my silver, you know. So it didn't like it look like a rainbow or something. So I don't like the masala thing.
But gold, I think we all know that rich people like gold. You know, gold is
Most
standard,
of them,
man. Yeah,
all
most of them.
us.
Yeah, not all of us. Cause Nami is gold, me.
Because I see you, your nose ring are silver. So
I feel like silver
I think
is
like
It sparkles.
I think like
yeah, well, silver is silver, man. So splash my easy. Silver.
Silver.
Silver. You know.
And to me, I don't choose sides. I used to wear silver and gold.
Both of them.
Because I don't have like they're not my favorite colors. Just
you like
jewelry.
them, just like
jewelry.
I understand.
Okay. I feel like gold is for all people, not for me. So I like silver.
What to that?
So why the piercings? Why the piercings?
Gold.
Like Jimmy, you understand? Jimmy, can I answer for
What color
him?
is that?
No.
Like Jimmy,
What color is what color is that? Okay.
It's a rainbow.
Oh, rainbow.
You're representing a rainbow.
Okay. So
Okay.
what made you pierce them? The nose ring?
Makati. It was Makati. How?
No. Nothing. What is the question?
What made you pierce? Like
I love piercings.
You
So,
Is that like any
yes.
color you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jimmy, could you please like just 10? That side. That side. Okay, right. Okay,
Yes.
you are a black Barbie.
Yeah,
But
black Barbie.
you see when I see a black Barbie.
And she didn't choose the black one.
Huh?
Yeah,
you know,
a brown Barbie. Like you used to say that a brown Barbie,
No,
not black Barbie.
John.
But wait, we still don't add them. Okay, Shop. Let's move. You can continue.
Tell me,
Because what I
black-
wanted to say,
you know what?
I understand. Because
Tell me,
like, when I'm brown,
you're
but
also black, Chum.
I am black.
Because black and white,
And you also
we
proud,
represent
ne?
black,
Black,
but you
you
ain't
people.
black, but you're brown. So when she says she's black, Barbie, from my
understand.
understanding, I get when maybe you don't understand. I was just
I do.
on my own understanding.
Yes.
She's like, she's a Barb. So Nicki Minaj always says black Barbie because she's a black Barbie, and you know she's not white Barbie.
yeah, I
She's
understand.
black Barbie. So she's not supposed to be brown to be brown
At some
Barbie.
point,
You know, she's just black.
But okay, before are you a baddie?
Yes, I'm a baby.
But you're wearing a one earring, but you call yourself a baddie.
You have your
I know. I don't have earrings. Cause why?
That's the thing.
Do you have a
everybody
I
takes
do, but you know, when I put earrings next, my ears are too sensitive.
Ah, okay.
You get my point. When I'm putting in earring, I get like something itching in my ears. You get my point.
I get your point.
Yeah. So I have to get originals. But I
Oh, yeah, used to fake one.
No, I
used to fake.
No,
Right.
I grew up in
Used to
fake
fake, I'm
ones.
sure.
I grew up in fake ones because I used to buy myself 5-inch one.
I think
Oh, the
I think
temporary.
no, you know what, guys?
I understand. I
I
understand.
think we should
My
just
ears.
from the eyes
So now I don't like it.
You know?
No, I don't. Okay,
I'm sure
wait.
it's one
By
thing.
my side.
Yeah,
by my side.
plus
No, listen.
Ey'tabene, it's almost about to something.
You know?
Hey,
So
you're telling me.
I understand at some point.
Listen, by my side, Nick, I don't like earrings. I don't want to lie, I don't like earrings because they ruin my ears.
I mean, I really like earrings. Like,
Me too.
and
Nah,
but
I feel like
that's why I
bring
did
them
guess
out.
another whole like
Why?
to have.
Please explain your question.
Mina, I liked earrings from primary, like
Since I was young, actually.
so like even these ones I had them for 3 years. You see, I even decorated them now because
I don't
Khona abantu
buy earrings
ababuza
by
ukuthi-
myself.
Gucci, why uhlezi nalamacici lawa
I don't
from
buy earrings
long
by
long
myself.
time ago because I feel like I like these ones. I don't know, but I'm just like addicted to them. Gucci, no matter how I feel like I'm empty.
I mean,
Nyawadinga.
this one I did get from my ex.
These ones.
You got it, bitch.
Not like I'm still in love. Like nah. Like if like I go to
Wait,
your
you mean
man and
when
like
you say your
I want
ex,
earrings,
listen,
you know.
You know what is an ex? An ex is someone you sleep with. So why don't you say your past, your status view?
You know, and like you,
Like
so true.
You
Like,
are sexual. Yeah.
so like if I want earrings, I go to my ex because I know Gucci.
She's selling.
He has he doesn't like sell earrings, you know. Like if like I want earrings, you know. I go to him and I said, yo, I don't have earrings, you know. Then like you know.
But you speak in the other ways, like you know, was I'm a fan of it. Boys.
And like we must pay them.
Yeah, you need to pay them. But not they.
Not even. No.
Get your coin. So I'm done. Bitch.
Yo guys, it's fun speaking English. I feel like the show becomes interesting when you're speaking English.
You know, I get you.
But not always. It's not my language.
You know?
But not always, guys, because I know that gays needs to play ish. You see, like, I mean, my guys, I have a day.
You know, and not like we don't know English.
Yeah, I
like
do.
we're not used to
But
it.
it's not my mother's tongue.
You know,
so I'm not
we're not used to it. That's why I'm saying we don't used to it.
I get your point.
Also, I get your point.
Okay, yeah. Guys.
OP used to speak English every time, because his grandmother is a colored. So yes, I'm lying.
You're not.
I know.
Like I really understand you.
Yes, so
I understand you.
So that's why OP like ngithi angithi
I like the
akapasti. But not that always like me, because it's not my mother's tongue. I'm not used to
But
it.
we know it.
No,
Yeah, I do,
it.
but I'm not used
So
to
me,
it.
like for me, guys, it's not like I hold myself. It's not like I don't want to bust. I do want to bust, but I
you
make
hold
sure,
yourself.
like my tongue, like
don't
nothing.
know,
like
my tongue is. I know how to say it, like this. Like let's say I need to into one has probably 4 names.
Lot of words.
Yeah. So I feel like when I don't say this word, I say the other one. Like I think fast,
It's
cause like
the
this
other one.
Like ngathini to
The other one.
Mangzo team.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So me like ngathini. I wanna like when I say words sometimes I just wanna say like ngathini. Like there are words like just 2 or 3 words of one thing.
more.
Like one thing. Ngathi, you know. So it's a thing. So suppose whatever he's saying, I don't pass. I do. I hold myself. I don't just speak.
Wait.
I hold.
Why I bet
Before I-
because
Angihlanzi
no,
ngiyazibamba.
to me,
You know,
I do.
maybe
I also
toilet.
hold myself, but when I'm
Don't laugh, guys.
can't go like say just this look, I can't go down, yo. It's up you, better than yo.
Okay, go.
The interview phela le guys angengikhona yo. English no khona interview anyway.
I get you at some point. Like,
But
I
Baddie
really get
speak
you.
English.
But I understand that Baddie speak English, but not most of them Baddie.
Yeah.
To me, okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Baddie.
Kasi Baddie, yeah.
Yes,
So-
I'm a Kasi Baddie.
but
I'm the like
Okay, so what motivates you to be more paid? Because as a baby, there's something that motivates us, to just become more paid.
It's like a
Like
self-esteem,
self-esteem.
self-awareness.
it's my expression.
How I dress, how I look, yes.
Wait now.
For me, it's the songs that I listen to that drive me.
inspired.
That drive me to the mood. It grows my mood. It gives me the
The self-awareness at some point.
and it just shows good. Even my looks and everything, but the music, the music and everything, the clothes also.
But Baddie's is not about song.
Okay, so are you a Baddie?
No.
Nah, I don't think so. But like, at some point, because like, I don't have a specific way which like I can express my
So Baddie.
but like my outfits or stylish or like I dress like but the way I like to dress, it's like I love
It's
oversized t-shirts, check pants,
Pick it
Baddie.
Yeah.
so
What is it? It's what is Nelly Vele?
Baddie.
A bread.
Bread.
Yeah, it's a bread.
yeah, so I like starting new things, like maybe try new things, in like a lavish life, so I can't call myself a baddie.
Yeah, you don't like you don't label yourself, but
I don't like because
Just
I
go-
try
you
something
just go with
new,
the trend and
go with the
fashion.
flow,
Go with the flow.
So like that's who I am.
So sisters, you said Baddie doesn't go with songs.
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
By my side, like, ngizokhuluma ngesiZulu ngingakhakhona ngisakhona.
Baddie.
Because ngikhuluma ngesiZulu ngisakhona.
That's your mother's tongue.
Yeah.
I understand.
But ngumXhosa but ngijolisa ukuthi mina guys I don't listen to like ngoma zabo Nicki Minaj
Same.
like ngiyintombazane like uqosha ngathi bhinga yo cishe kasho cishe kasho kanjalo ibambi kanisho like ngibhili amapiano cause like ngithanda ujive mina like I don't used to twerk and do them.
Yeah.
I'm not that type of girl, but I don't say like it's a bad thing.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, it's not a bad thing, but you don't hear bad bitch in a piano. You hear bad bitch in
Nicki Minaj.
it's not Nicki Minaj,
But
but
no,
I like the
Give me a
city
rap.
girls.
So
the
you guys
female
like
rap.
Nicki Minaj songs?
Like me,
I'm a
I'm in everything, but I like now I like the city girls JT because those people like the like they when I love Baddie, like especially this lyric. Let me give you I don't wanna sing but
Go ahead.
So, this lyric says like I'ma show you how to pimp a nigga. Like those things, man, they give like
Motivation.
Hey, I love motivation. I'ma show you how to pimp a nigga. Like
All of that.
no, because you don't hear bad bitch in a piano or
But no, Jimmy, I ain't a bad bitch. Kamili be kona piano. No, I know myself that I'm a bad. Ngiyazazi ukuthi ngiyibhedi, but Jimmy, you get me. Like I don't
It's
like
fine,
the songs
it's
because
fine.
I didn't grow up listening to them.
But you can still
I don't like it.
yeah.
Understand? Like
Yeah.
I'm not used to it. Like I'm not gift, yeah. So you get my point. Like cause my piano, so I like my piano.
So do you listen to Tyler?
I can relate.
Yeah,
Like
a
actually,
few
I
songs
can
of
relate.
Tyler. Yeah, a few songs of Tyler's like. I'm just too, cause yeah. it's
Maybe
only two.
Maybe.
I mean, I like you were saying. Nee.
Push to start. You mean push to start?
Push to
start. Hey, we could
Start
look.
what to do.
Yeah.
Ikule ke wena sithi.
Yes, but good say.
Yeah.
What if you
say?
I did it.
Go, Raibo. Let's just stop.
Okay.
Like name. Like
I'll shake ka.
shake ka kamucho.
The teller one.
Which one? I'll shake ka.
Yeah, the one that says
You can't shake that.
I don't know wait. Nale eti.
That's a hesitation, don't do
Wait,
it.
Chum. Wait, I'm also going to say got it bad. Like my piano when Tyler become famous before.
Guys, like
Ali Kochum.
I know it's getting late.
No, it's gonna say.
That one. You see, before she becomes that Baddie of like you see, she started going on my piano. So that's why you see, Baddies are you
you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
To me, like, who are you? Like, who are
And
you?
what you are.
And what you are, thank you. You cannot point. Okay. But for today, guys, I should so we see you next time in English. I see Valen.
Okay, guys, so yeah, that was the end of the English. Yo, go. Nase class in Benganje. Thank you.
Yo, and I'm still in class and I come to finish. Like, guys.
So guys, today the Ey'tabene in English. Back to game. Ey'tabene in English. And Ey'tabene next time with English again. So yeah.
I'm booming.
Elus bosh mamizi albuyi.
Nyabuya mara podcast mara.
But
I get you.
Nyabuya like nation guys.
We pinga.
She was mistaken. Not like you are a guys, you know.
Okay,
you are the Baddie.
Yeah, I am a Baddie.
So yeah, guys.
Could you please like, subscribe, turn notification up below. Bet you gotta know.
Yeah.
Don't forget Masiliva. The one
don't like it, guys. Don't forget Masiliva. Just follow everywhere social media platforms.
You know.
Masiliva what?
The one and only Masiliva in Freedom Park. You get me? Sure.
Even in we okay. In from Park, yeah.
Yeah, I think the one and only Masiliva in Freedom Park. This other else. Masiliva in Freedom Park.
This is my colleague.
I'm the one.
This is
I'm the one.